How to contact Instagram customer service. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, click to the Instagram app and then come to the profile and then click to the three dot menu. After that, click to the settings and privacy options and just scroll down and click to the health options. After that, you can see lots of options. Just click to the support requested options and all the things you submitted will be showing there. So if you want to contact with Instagram help center or customer care, then click to the report app problem options and then just click to the report problem without checking. After that, you can see lots of options. Just click to the don't include and continue options and then just uh, type your question or ask or upload or text screenshot. uh, just type your problems and then click to the send options. After that, Instagram will contact you with an email. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.